Ideally, I hear from an injured person right after they've been injured. Ideally, they've talked to a doctor before they've talked to me. First things first, of course, and I mean that. Sometimes I'll get a call and I'll encourage somebody to take care of themselves first. But early on, if ideally that day, the next day, ideally, I would hear from the new client, because there are things we want to do right away. First of all, we want to simplify things for the client. Client might well be bombarded with phone calls or information requests and is fearful. Client doesn't want to do something sort of irretrievable that they can't fix. And it's easy enough for me to give the client the direction the client needs right off the bat. And then for my purposes, greater purposes in representing the client going forward, there are things we want to get started immediately so that we can gather and preserve and best present the evidence, because we have to carry our burden of proof down the road to show that someone else was responsible for my innocent client's injuries and that my client's injuries were substantial. And we don't want to lose any time in getting started on that process.